You know, I sure wish we could filter in this country. It's certainly not legal here. People get real excited if you squeeze through to, you know, get to your destination. This summer I cut through stop traffic on my way to the barber shop, and this guy I cut in front of got real excited. He goes, "Where the hell are you going?" I'm going to go get my hair cut. He was outraged. Hole wasn't big enough for a car to go through, so I went. You know, I could fit easily. "Where the hell are you going?" "Well, sir, I'm going across, thank you." It's funny why, you know, the driving habits of one country to another. People in this country are real tight-assed about the rules and etiquette, driving etiquette. It's real easy to piss people off and get into a screaming fight with somebody. Or in some other countries, Taiwan, Korea, it's like, well, maybe not Korea so much. They're very polite. But even in England, I mean, they filter and cut through, and my God, people would have a freaking cow in this country if you did this. Like if I went on through to the front of the line, which I've been tempted to do, rather than be caught behind all these big slow cars. That would be awesome. Where the hell are you going? The nerve of me